When people talk about reliable guns, one name keeps coming up: Sig Sauer. These guns are known for their smooth triggers, great balance, and serious accuracy. Whether you're on the range or carrying daily, Sig just feels different, like it was made for your hand. In this video, we're checking out the Sig Sauer guns that stand out in 2025, the ones trusted by professionals and everyday shooters alike. Let's get started. Number 16. Sig Sauer P365XL Spectre. Compact yet powerful. The Sig Sauer P365XL Spectre stands out as soon as you pick it up. Weighing just 20.7 ounces, it's light enough for all-day carry but solid enough to feel secure in hand. With an overall length of 6.6 inches and a 3.7-inch barrel, it finds the perfect balance between concealability and precision. Chambered in 9mm, it offers dependable performance with minimal recoil, paired with a 12-round magazine to keep you prepared. The laser-engraved X grip module adds a firm, non-slip hold, even in tough conditions. A flat X-series trigger provides a smooth and crisp pull for better control. Custom slide cuts don't just add style, they also lighten the pistol for faster handling. With premium features packed into a practical size, the P365XL Spectre is an ideal choice for everyday protection. MSRP approximately $1,299.99. Number 15. Sig Sauer P320 AXG Legion. Blending strength with smooth performance. The Sig Sauer P320 AXG Legion is built for shooters who demand control. Weighing in at 36.1 ounces, it offers a balanced feel that's not too heavy but steady enough for precise shooting. It features a 3.9-inch barrel inside an 8.2-inch frame, making it compact yet impressively accurate. Chambered in 9mm, it delivers consistent results with minimal recoil, supported by a high-capacity 21-round magazine. The integrated expansion chamber in the slide reduces recoil by up to 25%, helping you stay locked on target. Its all-metal AXG frame, finished in Legion Gray Cerakote with custom Hogue G10 grips, provides both rugged durability and comfort. The optic ready slide makes red dot mounting simple and fast. Built for serious shooters, the AXG Legion is all about premium performance and real-world reliability. MSRP ranges $1,299.99 to $1,499.99. Number 14. Sig Sauer P226XL Legion. Precision and power, meet the Sig Sauer P226XL Legion, a pistol designed for those who expect more. Weighing approximately 42.3 ounces, it brings a heavy, stable feel that's perfect for accurate shooting. With an overall length of 8.6 inches and a 4.4-inch barrel, it's engineered for balance and performance. Chambered in 9mm, it delivers reliable stopping power with manageable recoil, and a 20-round magazine keeps you shooting longer. The built-in expansion chamber in the slide reduces recoil dramatically, letting you fire quicker and stay on target. Its AX3 adjustable flat-faced trigger allows for a customized pull, enhancing shot precision. Finished in Legion Gray Cerakote with custom TXG grips, the P226XL Legion is truly a top-tier pistol. MSRP approximately $1,399.88 to $1,499.99. Number 13. Sig Sauer P365XG Legion Comp. The Sig Sauer P365XG Legion Comp packs serious performance into a compact frame. Weighing about 26 ounces, it offers just the right amount of weight for steady handling while staying comfortable for daily carry. With a 3.1-inch barrel and an overall length of 6.6 inches, it delivers sharp accuracy in a highly concealable size. Chambered in 9mm, it combines low recoil with dependable firepower, boosted by a 17-round magazine. A built-in compensator significantly reduces muzzle rise, allowing for faster and smoother follow-up shots. The alloy AXG grip frame, paired with G10 chevron panels, offers a firm, reliable grip even during long shooting sessions. An optic-ready slide opens the door for quick red dot installation, giving you more options for customization. Finished in Legion Gray Cerakote, the P365 AXG Legion Comp offers both style and battlefield-ready durability. MSRP $1,141.88 to $1,199.99. Number 12. Sig Sauer P320 Flux Legion. The Sig Sauer P320 Flux Legion blends compact handling with serious firepower in a truly innovative design. Weighing about 49.2 ounces with one magazine, it offers a solid feel that helps with recoil control during rapid fire. It features a 10.9-inch overall length and a 3.9-inch carbon steel barrel, giving you excellent accuracy without being unwieldy. Chambered in 9mm, it ensures consistent precision while packing two 30-round magazines for extended sessions. The rapid deploying stabilizing brace lets you quickly shift from compact carry to ready to fire. It also features an ambidextrous dual magazine release for both right and left-handed shooters. A built-in compensator minimizes muzzle rise, improving speed and follow-up accuracy. The non-reciprocating Picatinny optic mount and flared magwell complete a build that's designed for high performance under pressure. MSRP, approximately $1,499.99. Number 11. Sig Sauer P365 Fuse. Compact yet capable, the Sig Sauer P365 Fuse offers full-size firepower in a carry-friendly package. Weighing 23.1 ounces, it strikes the perfect balance between sturdiness and lightweight comfort. With a 4.3-inch carbon steel barrel and an overall length of 7.2 inches, it delivers excellent accuracy without compromising concealability. Chambered in 9mm, it offers dependable performance with low recoil, making it ideal for both defense and recreational shooting. It comes with two 21-round magazines and one 17-round magazine, giving you extended capacity without extra bulk. The optic ready slide accommodates Shield RMSC footprint optics for easy red dot mounting. A durable nitron finish on the stainless steel slide boosts resistance against wear and tear. With its ergonomic grip and aggressive serrations, the P365 Fuse is built for fast, confident handling. MSRP $604 to $999. Number 10. Sig Sauer MCX-Spear LT Multi. Built to perform across any mission, the Sig Sauer MCX-Spear LT Multi brings lightweight strength and serious versatility. It weighs around 7.5 pounds, offering the right mix of maneuverability and stability. It's a 16-inch cold hammer forged carbon steel barrel that delivers reliable precision in a durable platform. Chambered in 5.56 NATO, it provides dependable firepower with a 30-round polymer magazine for extended operations. The Matchlight Duo flat blade trigger provides a crisp, predictable pull, improving overall shot accuracy. The ergonomic MLOK handguard allows for easy customization with attachments like grips or lights. With a push-button folding stock for added flexibility, the MCX-Spear LT is ready for dynamic use in any environment. MSRP $2,495 to $3,000. Number 9. Sig Sauer P320 Spectre Comp. The Sig Sauer P320 Spectre Comp is built for shooters who want serious performance right from the first grip. Weighing around 41.8 ounces, it offers enough heft for steady control but remains comfortable enough for everyday carry. With an 8.5-inch overall length and a 4.6-inch barrel, it delivers precise accuracy without sacrificing maneuverability. Chambered in 9mm, it balances stopping power with manageable recoil, making it perfect for both defense and range days. The 21-round magazine means fewer reloads and more time focused on shooting. One of its standout features is the integrated compensator, which controls muzzle rise for faster follow-up shots. The X-Series trigger gives a crisp and responsive feel, while the aggressive slide cuts reduce weight and boost handling. MSRP between $1,400 and $1,800, this pistol is a serious investment for serious shooters. Number 8. Sig Sauer P365XMacro. Slim, powerful, and highly versatile, the Sig Sauer P365XMacro redefines what a carry pistol can be. Weighing just 21.5 ounces unloaded, it's lightweight yet feels incredibly secure in hand. It features a 3.1-inch carbon steel barrel within a 6.6-inch long, 5.2-inch high frame that's only 1.1 inches wide. Perfect for concealability without sacrificing control. Chambered in 9mm, it delivers low recoil reliability with an impressive 17+1 round capacity. The integrally compensated slide keeps muzzle rise to a minimum, helping you stay accurate and fast. XRAY 3-day night sights ensure visibility under all lighting conditions. An optic-ready slide makes red dot installation simple, while a standard 1913 accessory rail opens the door for lasers or lights. With interchangeable backstraps for a custom fit, the P365XMacro is truly built for daily carry confidence. MSRP ranges between $650 to $930. Number 7. Sig Sauer P226. The Sig Sauer P226 is a full-sized pistol known for its incredible reliability and precision. Built from high-quality materials, its robust frame offers lasting durability and a secure grip. Available in 9mm, .40 S&W, and .357 SIG, the P226 is a versatile choice for defense, competition, or tactical missions. It features a double-action, single-action trigger system for smooth, controlled shooting. Thanks to its balanced handling and soft recoil, it's easy to stay accurate with every shot. Equipped with SIG-Light night sights and an integrated accessory rail, it's ready for low-light environments and tactical upgrades. Widely adopted by military and law enforcement around the world, the P226's performance is legendary. A brand new Sig Sauer P226 generally starts around $850. Number 6. Sig Sauer P365XL. The Sig Sauer P365XL is the perfect blend of compact size and full-feature performance. Building on the popular P365 platform, it offers an extended barrel and a larger grip for better handling. Chambered in 9mm, it packs a 12+1 capacity without sacrificing its slim profile. The flat profile trigger provides a cleaner pull, boosting both accuracy and control. It comes optic-ready out of the box, making red dot mounting fast and easy. The longer barrel also reduces muzzle flip and recoil, improving comfort during long sessions. Whether for daily carry or home defense, the P365XL adapts to your needs. MSRP for the standard P365XL usually starts around $600 depending on the model. Number 5. Sig Sauer P320. Flexible and dependable, the Sig Sauer P320 is a modular pistol that can be configured for almost any role. This striker-fired handgun stands out with its removable fire control unit and modular grip frame. Available in calibers like 9mm, .357 SIG, .40 S&W, and .45 ACP, it easily adapts between compact, carry, full-size, and tactical setups. The P320 boasts a smooth trigger pull and a strong internal safety system, including striker and disconnect safeties. It features a durable stainless steel frame and a nitron-coated slide for enhanced corrosion resistance. Whether for civilian carry, competition, or duty use, the P320 delivers trustworthy performance. MSRP can range from about $400 to $1,500, depending on the build and configuration. Number 4. Sig Sauer P229. Compact and rugged, the Sig Sauer P229 is a favorite among law enforcement and military units. Chambered in 357 SIG, 9mm, or 40 S&W, it provides the firepower and flexibility needed for a variety of missions. Its compact steel frame is built for concealed carry while offering outstanding durability. The P229's double-action, single-action trigger gives you a smooth first pull and a crisp, quick reset. It includes SIG-Light night sights for low-light shooting and an accessory rail for mounting lights or lasers. Known for its toughness under stress, the P229 has earned a reputation for reliability worldwide. A Sig Sauer P229 Enhanced Elite Compact typically starts around $700. Number 3. Sig Sauer P220. The Sig Sauer P220 is a timeless classic designed to deliver serious .45 ACP stopping power. Originally made to meet the Swiss military's high standards, this full-sized pistol is built with a sturdy all-metal frame and stainless steel slide. The ergonomics are excellent, giving shooters a comfortable grip and good control even with heavy rounds. SIG-Light night sights ensure reliable aiming in low-light conditions. The P220's heavy frame helps manage recoil and boost accuracy during rapid fire. A standard model with a black nitron finish and a 4.4-inch barrel usually retails around $1,050. Number 2. Sig Sauer GSR 1911. Bringing modern precision to a legendary platform, the Sig Sauer GSR 1911 honors the classic 1911 design while enhancing it. Constructed entirely from stainless steel, it offers a heavy, balanced feel for excellent recoil management. Precision machining ensures a tight slide-to-frame fit, boosting accuracy and reliability. Chambered in 45 ACP, it delivers the traditional stopping power fans expect. Modern upgrades like a beaver tail grip safety, an ambidextrous thumb safety, and a skeletonized trigger improve both handling and responsiveness. Novak night sights on the slide provide top-tier visibility in low-light environments. A well-maintained Sig Sauer GSR 1911 Revolution model usually sells for around $1,250 on the used market. Number 1. Sig Sauer P210. The Sig Sauer P210 is a true masterpiece known for its precision, craftsmanship, and legendary accuracy. Originally built for the Swiss Army, the P210's seamless slide-to-frame fit guarantees tight tolerances and pinpoint performance. Its single-action trigger is among the smoothest you'll find, providing a crisp, clean break that serious shooters appreciate. Featuring a slim design and a 5-inch barrel, it offers ideal balance and exceptional handling. Chambered in 9mm, it delivers mild recoil, making it both easy and enjoyable to shoot. A brushed steel finish gives the pistol a sleek, timeless look. MSRP varies. A Sig Sauer P210 carry 9mm runs between $1,400 and $1,600, while a standard P210 typically costs around $1,300. That's the list. Reliable, refined, and built to perform beyond expectations. If you're looking for a sidearm that feels like an extension of your purpose, one that earns its keep every time you draw it, a SIG might just be your next trusted companion. Which one stood out to you? Drop your pick in the comments below. And if this helped sharpen your sights on your next carry option, go ahead and hit subscribe. We've got more breakdowns and real-world insights coming your way, only on Survival Firearms.